Industry West Interiors is helping to support other businesses by taking all the noise out there across every channel that you're getting bombarded with, whether it's a hospitality project, restaurant, startup, whatever it may be. We're going to be there to provide the tools necessary to do their job in a seamless fashion and to make them successful. We want people to walk into a space and feel that I like this space. It makes me feel a certain way.
Industry West Interiors, we've been working on it for about a year. So excited that it's finally come to fruition with this install for Fore Score. The services that Industry West Interiors offers is a wide variety of things. We do everything from mood boards to install day and everything in between.
Fore Score Golf is a unique concept that we came up with that incorporates full swing golf simulators, kind of a nice, light, friendly environment to have a glass of wine and a place that you can come and compete with your buddies.
We've known about Industry West for a long time. We know they have a great reputation and we've really watched the company grow and succeed over the years. So when it was time to choose a company to work with, they were just a natural choice. And we were excited to have someone in a group that we could bring our ideas to and really have those brought to life throughout the process.
To walk alongside Daniel and Kerrie, who are obviously very passionate about this, and share that passion that we have with our brand and walk together with them the last year has just been it's been amazing.
The unique thing about the Industry West team is that they bring creative ideas that we would never have thought about. Their vision on how they see a space, the colors, the lights, the textures is far beyond what we have seen, and incorporating all that into one design has been amazing to see and work with.
Throughout this whole process, we've been helping them with different finishes and fixtures, making sure that that aligns with the furniture package that we're doing. Been working with them just kind of on all design aspects to make sure that what they're picking out really matches with the furniture package. And then of course being here through the whole install to make sure that everything is 100% perfect, and the way that it looked in the decks that we created with them has definitely been a huge success for this project.
The styles that come together in this space are transitional, so you have some traditional Canadian stuff like I said, but some other modern things that we kind of blended in together with different color palette, different materials, and it's fun to see all of it jiving together.
I love the fact that Jordan and Ann travel for inspiration. They're such professionals and experts at what they do. Brooke as well. They all are very invested in what they do, and it really shows in the end product and the products that they produce. So I just think that whoever is interested in working with Industry West Interiors should expect greatness from the team and the product that they're going to get.